Hey everyone. So in today's quick tip, we're going to take a look at how you can use profile side roughing in order to take multiple passes and work your way into a final profile. Let's take a look. All right, guys, in this example, we have a job tree already set up. We have a profile feature here. What I want to do is unblank the stock and backplot my profile. And if we take a look, you can see as the tool comes into this profile, there's a lot of material it's encountering, not necessarily the best situation. So what can we do to walk the tool into that profile so the tool doesn't get overloaded? Well, that's exactly what profile side roughing is used for. What we can do is edit our feature, go to our patterns, and choose side roughing. From here, we can tell the software how much material is left on the wall and how many passes we want to take it in. We can recompute our toolpath to update it, and it's just that easy. Now the software will walk the tool into the wall, taking multiple passes to remove that stock. I recommend you give this feature a try in your next project.